Good day, viewers. We are still on chain rule, and here comes another question. So all we need to do is to be able to recall the formula when we are using chain rule, and the formula is dy dx equals to dy du, then times it by du dx. That is it. So since this is the function we are differentiating, we can call it y equals to x squared minus 3x plus 5 squared. So the content of the bracket, cube, is cube. Okay, the content of the bracket, we can call it u. So u equals to x squared minus 3x plus 5. That is that. So if that is the case now, we can remove this content of the bracket and substitute it with u in this equation. So y will be equals to u to the power of 3, meaning we've substituted the content of the bracket with our u because the content is now u. So the next thing is to differentiate u with we differentiate y with respect to u. So dy du will be equals to, if we differentiate this, is going to be 3u squared. That is that. So we differentiate, we now find our du dx, meaning we are going to differentiate u with respect to x. This is our u. We differentiate it with respect to x. So 2x squared, if you differentiate it, you get 2x. Then minus 3x. If you differentiate 3x, is going to be 3. And then the 5 is constant. It has gone. It becomes 0. So the next thing is to plug it in this formula. So dy over dx is equal to, our dy du is this. Dy du is 3u squared. 3u squared times it by du dx. This is our du dx. So 2x minus 3. Next thing, dy dx is equal to, we substitute our u and place it. Let's substitute our u. So it's going to be 3 into, our u is this, 3 x squared minus 3x plus 5. That is our u. So it's squared. So we square it. Times it by 2x minus 3. So if that is the case, we can take this and times it by this, then times it by the content of the bracket. So dy dx is equal to 3 into this, 2x minus 3 times it by this. So x squared minus 3x plus 5, then we square it. So that is the derivative of this function.